आधे बाउल दही में 4 चम्मच MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला डाला, स्टर करो, पुदीना चटनी तैयार। MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला। MDH।
On the show tonight, the BJP predicts its biggest Bihar victory in 2 decades. Amit Shah, Yogi Adityanath, all fighting hard, trying to set up a big political battle. At 9 o'clock this evening, the clock is ticking for Pakistan. We are looking at things very, very closely, and it looks like there is going to be an imminent collapse. We have some very interesting breaking news headlines coming in on that. And ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you the truth. The Maha Gadbandhan, the so-called Grand Alliance, is in difficulty. There isn't any clarity. There's no clear strategy. There were gains, but they are losing. No leadership, nothing as of now. The Maha Gadbandhan stands like a house of cards, shaky in Bihar. The big fight and the unpredictable part about Bihar is what is going to be the performance of Prashant Kishore. Some say the Jan Suraj is beginning to make inroads. Now here's where things can change, because if Prashant Kishore makes inroads, many believe that he will take away a part of the vote of Nitish Kumar and hence end up hitting the NDA more. As Bihar heads, ladies and gentlemen, to the elections, what do we see? The Congress releases a list of 48 candidates without finalizing a seat-sharing formula. Can you believe it? They have not run a seat-sharing formula. They've released 48 candidates because they're so worried that Tejasvi could eat into that share as well. They're running on prayers, duct tape and sheer hope while the NDA moves ahead with a clear and decisive plan. Now, they call it a grand alliance. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not clarity. Yesterday, the RJD fielded the son of a gangster, Osama Shahab. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the reality. And the real issue right now is, and this picture continues to go viral, this picture continues to be a very key talking point. This picture truly will determine which way things go. The BJP is trying to make this election about Jungle Raj. We have a discussion on this yesterday, but I believe that we need to take the discussion further. Now, are there sections of the population who still need to be educated on Jungle Raj? And is a discussion on Jungle Raj, Shahabuddin, Mafia Dons, what happened 15 to 20 years back, still relevant for the people of Bihar? Let's debate.
Two weeks to go before the Bihar votes, and the fight is getting intense. Home Minister Amit Shah is on a 3-day visit to Bihar. His first engagement to meet Nitish Kumar and ensure all's well on the alliance front.
मैंने जनता दल की अभी आरजेडी की अभी सूची देखी है। वो सूची में शहाबुद्दीन के बेटे का नाम मैंने देखा है। मुझे बताओ, अगर आरजेडी आज भी शहाबुद्दीन के बेटे को टिकट दे तो बिहार सुरक्षित रह सकता है क्या? जोर से बोलो, रह सकता है क्या?
The Home Minister in his first rally responded to Republic TV Newsbreak on Lalu's RJD giving Don Shahabuddin's son Osama a ticket in his campaign speech. The Home Minister reminded Maha Gadbandhan of Jungle Raj, a phrase their rule made famous.
जरा तो शर्म करो। घुसपैठिया बचाओ अभियान लेकर राहुल जी निकले हैं। मुझे पूरा सदन बताए जरा बड़े आवाज से, बिहार की मतदाता सूची में बांग्लादेशी घुसपैठियों का नाम होना चाहिए क्या? हम चुनाव आयोग की पहल का समर्थन करते हैं। केवल बिहार नहीं, पूरे देश में से मतदाता सूची से घुसपैठियों को निकाल के।
For the Maha Gadbandhan, the hurdles continue. Smaller allies are playing ball, asking for their pound of flesh. Mukesh Sahani saying he will be the deputy CM in case Tejasvi and team win.
Mahagathbandhan is still facing the seat sharing arrangement crisis with Tejasvi taking it to the last lap and bargaining hard with the Congress party. The Congress party had last time contested on 70 seats and Tejasvi just want to give the Congress party only 58 seats.
NDA has almost set its house in order. Can the Mahagathbandhan do the same? Does NDA have the edge in this fight?
Sanju Verma and Avinash Paswan of the BJP and JDU, Ratnakar Tripathi, I think, of Congress is coming in. And we have with us today Syed Laraib Akram, National Spokesperson of RJD. We have Kumar Saurabh Singh, Jan Suraj spokesperson. Right? Ladies and gentlemen, everyone welcome to the debate. Sanju Verma.
Yes.
I have a right to talk about Bahubalis being given tickets, but you don't, because Anand Singh has 53 cases including murder and kidnapping, right? And Avinash, please listen here, AK-47 and grenades have been found from his home. Lakhisarai and Mokama are his base. And he has been given a ticket by JDU. So I have a right to talk about why Shahabuddin's son is being given a ticket, but BJP and JDU do not have a right because they have done the same thing. Now these are the things where you should understand that you have set the wrong precedent. Not just Anand Singh, not a solitary case. There is also Dhumal Singh. Avinash, you have given Dhumal Singh also a ticket from JDU. He has 150 cases in more than 5 states. Saran and in those nearby areas, he has a lot of influence. This is like giving a ticket to Ashok Chavan and then talking about corruption. You know what happened. Amarendra Pandey has also been given a ticket by JDU. He has many cases against him, including that of murder. So if I was to calculate that how many Bahubalis which party has given, I would find that NDA has given more Bahubalis tickets, right, than the RJD. This does not discount the fact that what the RJD is doing is very bad by giving a ticket to Osama, son of Shahabuddin. But that, before you ask them that or I ask them that, I think it is fitting that JDU and then BJP should answer why they have given so many mafia dons the tickets. Which of you would like to answer first? Avinash, you've come for the first time. Why don't you answer? Because you are the one giving the tickets and then she can come in. Yes.
Well, Arnav, first of all, a very good evening to all the panelists and you too as well. Well, see, the tickets that we have distributed to the person that you named are actually, they are not convicted criminals as we see. So the cases are actually going on in and there is a legal maxim that you are innocent until proven guilty. But the case is that the RJD actually has filed the Shahabuddin's son is concerning because, see, the Shahabuddin started his political career with a murder in 1989, and then he comes, he fights the election from Jiradei, right? And then Jiradei, once he independently fights the election from the Jiradei and he wins there, then the Supremo of RJD, the Mr. Lalu Prasad Yadav invites him to join the political party of Lalu Prasad Yadav. And then he starts to, assimilate all those criminal cases on him. And that is how the criminalization of politics started in Bihar. So,
but right, why are you giving these criminals tickets? Why are you giving these criminals tickets?
I would like to differ here. We cannot call them criminals because they are not yet convicted. they are not yet convicted or no, and that's why we cannot call them criminals.
Even
The
Pappu
cases
Yadav
are
was
still pending in
acquitted.
the courts.
Even Pappu Yadav was acquitted.
So that's how the.
So you will now
once the
will give Pappu
judiciary-
Yadav also a
once-
ticket.
No, we have decided.
No, you
the
are
tickets
getting
and there
confused.
is no chance of getting anybody else's. Pardon, I could not listen to you.
I am saying here that you are getting a little confused, if I may say so. Anand Singh is a Bahubali
No,
or
no,
not?
no,
I mean,
I'm
are you defending him? Are you defending Anand Singh?
I'm not. What I'm trying to say is because you started your debate with the list of persons that we have filed, and you also say that they are actually the criminals. But I would differ from you here because they are not criminal yet. Because I mean,
Well,
they
they are
have
social
not been
workers.
convicted by the courts.
Anand Singh, Dhomal Singh and
They are
Amrinder
not-
Pandey are social workers.
They are yet not convicted by the courts. If
Okay,
they are
tell
not
me,
convicted by the
let me
courts,
ask
it
you
would-
a question.
it would
Let
not
me
be
ask you a question.
appropriate to call
Let me
them
ask you a
criminals.
question. Let me ask
It
you
will
a
not-
question. Let me ask you a question.
Right.
You see, Tejasvi has given a ticket to Shahabuddin's son Osama. You have given a
Right.
ticket, everyone on, you have given a ticket to Anand Mohan's son Chetan Anand. What is the difference?
There is difference.
Oh,
Arnav,
there
if
is a
you see,
difference.
as I said, Sahabuddin was a convicted criminal. He was convicted for various cases. He started his career with the murder itself. He started the career of political, joining the RJD. He started his
And
career
who is
by,
Anand Mohan?
uh,
Who is Anand Mohan?
he is a candidate from JDU, and let me tell you, he is not yet convicted. That's what I'm trying to say. So there is a difference. Once you are convicted, you become a criminal that way. But until you are convicted, you are still innocent in the eyes of law, and that is what we believe in. We believe in the rule of law. That's what has been started.
I am not
since
understanding this.
2005.
I am not understanding this. I think I have been able to prove in the first 5 minutes that everybody is doing the same thing. Ratnakar Tripathi on the other side, but before that...
It's not so difficult.
No,
It's
let
not
me
so
go to
difficult
Syed
understand
Naraib
this.
Akram ji. Now, if I come to RJD, 2004 mein, in the year 2004, there is a man called Chanda Babu. Chanda Babu has two sons. Sanju is on screen. Both were killed by pouring acid on them. यानी कि तेजाब में उनको नहलाया गया और शाहबुद्दीन वहां पे बैठकर हंस रहा था. उन्हीं के सुपुत्र को आपने टिकट दिया है. क्या मैं उनकी बायोडेटा आपको पढ़ा दूं? Should I read out his biodata to you? This Osama's biodata, should I read it for you? Should I read it for you?
Yes, please.
You want me to read it for you? You don't know about Osama.
Please.
You don't know about Osama? Osama,
I know, but you have
Osama,
many information.
during the MLC election recently,
Then
in
maybe I
23,
don't know.
a gangster called Rais Khan was attacked. He was asked, who attacked you? He put in his FIR that I was attacked by Osama, which means Osama is the boss of the gangster. The gangster beyond the gangster. The mafia is there, he's super mafia. And he said that the attack was carried out by an AK-47 as part of a plot masterminded by Osama, son of Shahabuddin, to kill him. This was the first case registered against Osama. Do you want me to read out more about his biodata? Do you want me to give you more of his biodata? You understand my
You have
point?
a different opinion, or it should. Yes, I am getting your point.
What is your response to that? Why have you given
When you will give
this
me,
budding gangster a ticket?
No. See, Arnab ji,
Ji.
there's a differences between our opinions or rule or rule of law. Completely saying the son of Shahabuddin. First, Shahabuddin is not here. Shahabuddin was my member of parliament. Shahabuddin was a great leader of my party. No issue. I have no doubt. He was elected from his constituency. voters cast vote for him.
Was he a
and became
gangster?
Member of Parliament.
Was he a
What
mafia
has done,
don?
Court.
Was he a
sent him,
gangster?
Jail.
Was he a mafia don? Was he a mafia don? Answer me, was he a mafia don?
You want me to react like this?
Yeah, I'm asking you, was he a mafia don?
Arnab ji, you want me to?
React like what? I think, was he a mafia don?
No, let me
Was he a
speak. No,
mafia don?
let me. I'm coming on.
Tell me,
I'm coming on your point, but I don't want to match my tone with your tone. No,
Tone, you can use any tone, but was he a mafia don?
Shahabuddin, sir. No. Shahabuddin was member of parliament from my party, no doubt. Shahabuddin was the leader of Siwan, no doubt. Lakhs of voters cast his vote. You are demanding the voters of Siwan. That is not issue. The BJP is making a special provision to come out from the jail. Anand Singh in Lok Sabha election, he is a notorious criminal. Nobody is saying anything. Why is Anand Mohan come out from the jail? The special bill came introduced for his coming out from the jail in this Bihar Assembly by Nitish Kumar and BJP.
I don't understand. What is he trying to say?
Mohan, where is Anand Mohan right now? Where is Ulas Pandey? Where is Anand Singh? Nobody is
This
saying.
guy
Where
can
is
barely
Tumal?
speak two sentences
What about
in
the
English.
Chetan Anand? And this fellow, hey madam.
Arnab,
this
can
is
I
my
please
tone.
come in now?
You cannot demand my dialect. I can give you a tuition.
I am
Okay,
not
please.
demeaning your
Don't talk to me
dialect.
like
I
that.
cannot understand
Don't try
what
to
you're
grill
trying
me
to
like
say.
that. Listen
आपको
to me.
अंग्रेजी नहीं आती है
Listen
तो
to me.
हिंदी में बात
Why are you
करिए।
interrupting
आप
here?
क्या कहना चाहते हैं? कुछ मेरे पल्ले नहीं पड़ रहा, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा।
Who are you? Who are
हिंदी
you?
में
Who
बात
are you?
करने से
Who are you?
Sanju
आप
Verma,
अपने
BJP
नहीं जाएंगे।
spokesperson.
हिंदी
Are you
में
anchor?
वार्तालाप
Are
करने
you
से
anchor?
आप
Are you
छोटे
anchor?
इंसान नहीं
Are
बन
you
जाएंगे।
anchor?
हिंदी में बात करिए।
Are you anchor?
Arnab has no
I'm not
problems.
talking to
I've
you.
seen that he is multilingual.
Arnab Goswami,
He has no
please
problems
listen
with
to me.
people speaking in any language as long as they can convey their point of view.
हिंदी में क्या भोजपुरी में बोलत तोरा आवा सुना ना तोरा क्रिमिनल जो घूम रहा लो गोली चला रहा लो जेल में बैठ के बाहर से भी हमला कर रहा लो पटना के रोड पर गोली चल रहा लो रोज मर्डर हो रहा लो ओकरा कोई जवाब ना देवे के है तो निके
Oh,
साबुद्दीन
Now,
खाली
I
क्रिमिनल लग रहा लो
understood
तो
what you're
निके
trying to say. Now, let
धूमल
me
सिंह क्रिमिनल
respond.
नहीं के हो
Arnab,
आनंद
he's
मोहन
done.
क्रिमिनल नहीं के
Once he's done, let me have my say.
no, she.
धूमल सिंह संत है
You
उल्लास
said
पांडे
he should
संत है
speak in Hindi.
आनंद सिंह
He's
संत
now
है
speaking in his own dialect. Now
Selective outrage आप
you can't
निकालते
reply
हो।
to him, Sanju.
हैं?
You challenged him. He accepted your challenge. Now you should reply to him, and then you should reply to me that
No.
all the gangsters, potential gangsters, and potential mafia.
और कौन लोग बाहुबली कहलाते हैं और कौन अपराधी कहलाते हैं ओकरा भी पूरा बिहार जान रहा लोग
I
पूरा
asked him
बिहार
to
जाना
speak in Hindi. He clearly is
Yes,
following M.K. Stalin's footsteps. He seems to be Hindi phobic. Anyway, let me come to the moot point. And Arnab, now I did not
Hey, you
interject
don't
this
have
guy.
any
Let me
knowledge
have
of
my say.
language and linguistics.
First and foremost,
You don't know.
okay,
You
fine.
don't know.
Let him finish. I
Let him
refuse
speak.
to
I'm
debate
listening
like
to
this
you.
because I did not interject. अभी आपकी बात मैंने बड़े ध्यान से सुनी भाई साहब अभी मुझे बोलने का मौका दीजिए then you can rebut me at your will.
सुना का
और
पूरी
ना,
दुनिया
I
देख रही है you are
completely
speaking
stand-
continue
अरे भाई साहब ये आरजेडी का कैंपेन ऑफिस नहीं है यहाँ गुंडागर्दी नहीं चलेगी ये अर्नब गोस्वामी का शो है ये आरजेडी का कैंपेन ऑफिस नहीं है गुंडागर्दी मत करिए लाइव टेलीविजन पर
But you are not a
Thank you.
spokesperson of Arnab Goswami. Na, let
गुंडागर्दी
Arnab
मत
Goswami speak.
करिए don't indulge in
Why are you
thuggery
interrupting,
don't
madam?
indulge in thuggery on national TV thank you so much Arnab first and foremost let me make this very clear people like me have joined politics because we aspire for clean politics and I think Caesar's vice should be above suspicion I say that at the very outset now you will say Sanju Verma you're getting into ifs and buts no there's no if and but as things stand today the Representation of People's Act 1950-51 says if you are convicted and you have been imprisoned for 6 years at a stretch, then the chances of you contesting elections become very, very thin. My limited point is, Osama Shahab, the son of Shahabuddin, should not have been given a ticket. The JDU spokesperson has spoken about Anand Singh, but my point of view is this. Your audience needs to not miss the woods for the trees. Lalu Prasad Yadav, the head honcho of RJD, former Chief Minister of Bihar, is not just an accused or not. Lalu Yadav has been convicted by the highest court of this land in Chara Ghotala. In the 943 crore Chara Ghotala scam, Lalu is a convict. He's been out on bail on the lame pretext of sometimes saying, मेरी कमर में दर्द है, मेरे घुटनों में दर्द है, मेरे सर में दर्द है. बट जब राहुल गांधी के लिए मटन बिरयानी बनानी होती है, लालू यादव जी की सेहत बिल्कुल सही हो जाती है. जब बैडमिंटन खेलना होता है, लालू यादव इज फिट एंड फाइन. When Lalu Yadav
सेहत के ग्राउंड पे नहीं, बेल लेकर आए अपील में हमारा मामला. आप ये झूठ नहीं फैलाएं यहाँ पर बैठकर.
एकदम टॉप होती है. So Lalu Yadav is the kind of person who should be barred from active politics. And your audience needs to know, barely a week back, this Supreme Court refused to intervene. It said the Delhi court is right in framing charge sheet and going ahead with trial of Lalu Yadav, Rabdi Devi.
But why have you given Anand Singh a ticket? Why have you given Dhumal Singh a ticket? Why have you given Amrinder Pandey a ticket? You need to answer this. You can't sidestep all these issues. No, 1 minute. Sanju, you tend to give a speech. You tend to give a speech. You tend to give a speech, not answer the question, and that's your weak point. No, you tend to give a speech. You're not answering a single question. What was the question? The people watching the program want the question answered. You have given the ticket to these people who should be given the gold medal, silver medal and bronze medal in terms of mafia, which is Anand Singh, Dhumal Singh and Amrinder Pandey. You have avoided the question. Ratnakar Tripathi is on the debate. In order to avoid the question, because you avoid the question like this, somebody look at the Jan Suraj candidate and say, listen, at least they're untested and they are better. And that's why I got the Jan Suraj, Kumar Saurabh Singh also on the program. The point is, you're not taking a principled position.
Prashant Kishore has been accused of evading taxes. Prashant Kishore collected 241 crores.
Why have you given so many Bahubalis a ticket? The nation wants to know. Why has the BJP given so many Bahubalis a ticket?
Over an income of 241
Did you not find anyone else? Could you not find anyone else? You used to fight like me when you gave Ashok Chavan the ticket. And I said, Sanju Verma, the people of this country will be very angry with you, very angry. Because you are giving the ticket to Ashok Chavan. It is because of me that Ashok Chavan lost his job. It is because of my expose that Ashok Chavan lost his job in the Adarsh Kargil for Profit scam. And I told you that, listen, Sanju, don't be arrogant. When you start giving Ashok Chavan a ticket and bringing him to the BJP, your long-term losses will be far more than your short-term gains. But you did not listen to me. You gave Ashok Chavan a ticket, and now you're giving Dhumal Singh, Amrinder Pandey and Anand Singh a ticket. I'd like Kumar Saurabh Singh of the Jan Suraj on the debate, please. Kumar Saurabh Singh, your thought on the Jungle Raj debate.
Yeah, good evening, Arnab. I hope you have a list of 122 people, 122 candidates that we have issued already. And if you can point out even one candidate who has any kind of criminal or any kind of record, I would
Prashant
glad
Kishore
to
has been accused of cheating and criminal conspiracy.
Now look at the madam. We are not in a shouting match. We heard you completely. Don't shout.
Prashant Kishore has been accused of income concealment.
Look at this, Arnab.
Has been accused
take an example of Mokama. That
he collected 50
on one side you have Surat Bhan Singh from RJD, and on the other side you have the person who has severe criminal charges. We should not waste time even talking about it. Everybody knows who is Chote Sarkar, who is bigger than even the government of Bihar. You know, so see, this is what people of Bihar have been facing since last 3 decades. They on one side they accuse other side accuse the Mahagathbandhan. They try to create fear among the people. Saying इसको वोट करोगे जंगल राज आ जाएगा और इसको वोट करोगे तो कम्युनलिज्म बढ़ जाएगा. This is the kind of तू मैमे politics which has been going on the other side, Arnab.
Why is Prashant
Please look at our list. we have candidate like K.C. Sinha. We have great Bihar's biggest advocate, Mr. Giri, who's fighting from Bihar. We have so many educationists. We have so many, good people with good background.
Jan Suraj is not going to make any difference in Bihar outcome. Let's be very clear about that.
Am I audible?
Even if you get 10% vote share, you will not win a single seat.
That is a big admission. 1 minute. Well, just a minute. Just pause for a minute. Just pause there. Saurabh, just pause for a minute. Saurabh, just pause for a minute. Just pause.
Please.
And at this moment, as we pause, and we have to listen now, and just interrupting is not a point, Sanju. Sanju Verma has just said, even if you get 10%, you will not get a seat. Now, that means that is a somewhere they are conceding that a party from zero will make 10% vote. But the question is, whose 10% will they eat into? Will 8? That's the question.
I cannot question your intelligence, Atlas Turnab, on this prime time. For a party who's fighting election for the first time, if NDA and even the bigger partner who's fighting on 142 seat, and they have kind of rubbed the shoulder with JDU, and they are accepting on national television that we are getting 10% vote.
Saurabh is on the debate, Saurabh.
Win for Jan Suraj. Let me tell you, we have already won.
BJP says, BJP spokesperson says, even if Jan Suraj gets 10% vote, they will not win a seat. Is there an admission from the BJP that Jan Suraj will get 10% vote? Minimum. Saurabh!
It's a big admission on your show.
Saurabh, louder!
There is 1 month to go in election, and BJP spokesperson is accepting that Jan Suraj is getting 10% vote with the month left to Bihar Vidhan Sabha election. And let me tell you, beyond this 10%, we have already won because we have promised my founder, Jan Suraj's founder, whatever he said, he has delivered. He said we will issue the list first. He said we will give you the best candidate chosen from Bihar who have worked with Jan Suraj, who have worked hard with Jan Suraj in last 3 years. And now, let me give you a brief what we have done so far. We have met them to announce for the pension, which was not increased with even a 10 rupee in last 20 years. Now the pension is increased from 400 to 1100. Now people of Bihar are getting 150 units of free electricity every month. The compensation of those workers who have been working relentlessly and they have been beaten on the street of Bihar, now they are getting compensated. Now I'll tell you, the women of Bihar are getting 10,000 as a first installment. Now where were these issues?
Somewhere I think we want to pause for a moment. We want to pause for a moment, just one minute out there. Ladies and gentlemen,
please
I thank your viewership on Streaming Republic is really #1 at all times. As you can see, the number of people watching Republic outstrips any other channel at this time. Thank you. We go back to the debate now. Thank you for the graphic. The point here is this. It's a thought which I want to share with you.
I can understand your frustration, madam. I can understand.
1 minute.
I can understand that you are being questioned now.
Listen, I am
After
not
a long time, people of Bihar are asking this question, that where is the degree of Samrat Chaudhary? People of Bihar are asking.
This is not the visual. You think a ticket for Mafia Don and showing Prashant Kishore. Why are you doing that? Are we not thinking? Your top band is not correct.
Where is the
This top band is not correct. Please change it.
Why have you not done anything on your Pradesh Adhyaksh? Why have you not done anything on your Pradesh Adhyaksh, Dilip Jaiswal, when it is proven that he captured a medical college which belonged to a minority community? Now, why are you not answering where the Samrat Chaudhary has done his 10th? Why he is so hesitating to say that even in his affidavit rather, that, from where he has done his 10th or 12th?
Today in the highest
I mean,
tax bracket,
people of Bihar
you pay 30%,
are
you pay
stubborn.
surcharge,
They're confused.
you pay cess,
They're confused
and the
that
effective tax rate
we
works
are
out
led
to
with the
43%.
people who are not even, transparent enough to come out and say in public that I have done my. If you ask me a question, you please ask me a question from where I have done my 10th, from where I have done my 12th, from where I have done my graduation, from where I have done my post graduation. I can tell you right here on this national television. Why your deputy chief minister, why your finance minister of Bihar is hiding this fact that from where he has done his 10th. And my founder, Prashant Kishore ji, is asking this question on every public forum, and they are running away. They are spreading, they are dodging this question every now and then. Why?
One point.
You are answerable to the people of Bihar.
I have now got to make a.
Answer this question.
Saurabh, may I make a political observation, please? May I make a political observation? Saurabh, I know your favorite story is Samrat Chaudhary's educational qualifications. I recently had Pawan Verma from your channel, from your party in our campus. He asked the question 11 times. I know that is your main point. But I have a question to ask here.
No.
And a
That's
point to
not the
make.
main
I get a
point,
feeling,
no.
I get
That's
a
not the main
feeling,
point.
I get a
That's one
feeling,
point.
I get a feeling, Ratnakar ji and Syed Larab Akram ji, that some way the election is changing in the last 1 month or so. The feeling I get, and ये जो मुझे हमें ground से report आती है सैयद जी और लरेब जी और रत्नाकर जी, कि ये वोट चोरी वाला मामला nobody believes. And people wanted a positive campaign. And Rahul Gandhi made Tejasvi Yadav lead a negative campaign. And in fact, you know, Rahul Gandhi went around with a man who was wearing a t-shirt which says, "Meri vote chori hui hai." District magistrate ne kaha that the block development officer clarified that Subodh Kumar's name was not listed in the electoral roll of Wari Saliganj Assembly constituency even before the draft publication. So the man that Rahul Gandhi and Tejasvi were flaunting in their rally was never there in the voter list from the very beginning. These are the shots. ये voter list में थे ही नहीं और आपने वोट चोरी वाली narrative चलवा दी और इतनी गलतियां की इसके कारण कि you lost the faith of the people of Bihar. People of Bihar don't want to start with this, you know, ये पेंसिल्वेनिया वाली वोट चोरी आर्गुमेंट पता नहीं अमेरिका से किसने आपको सिखाया है कि आपको संदेह और शंका की वहाँ पे एक परिस्थिति बनानी है बिहार में और संदेह और शंका के बीच में कोई आपको वोट करेगा. संदेह और शंका से कुछ नहीं होती है. See, the thing is, people are tired of this incumbency against every government, including Nitish Kumar. But my question is to Syed Lareb ji. मेरा क्वेश्चन सैयद लरेब अकरम जी से. देखिए सैयद लाभ साहब, ये कांग्रेस पार्टी जिसके साथ पार्टनरशिप करती है वो नीचे जाती है जिसके साथ, और राहुल गांधी नैरेटिव संभालना चाहते हैं. He wants to wear a tight white t-shirt, sit on a motorcycle, get anybody and put out some American argument. People in Bihar have not accepted the vote chori argument. Now we are getting reports that Prashant Kishore's party is gaining. Even BJP is saying 5 से 10% vote उनको मिल सकती है. यानी कि एक acknowledgement हो रही है. See, everyone on. There is an acknowledgement that whatever you like Prashant, don't like, the man has worked hard. He is a young fellow. People think that he is a young fellow, he's worked hard, so vote उनको जा सकती है. उन्होंने तो वोट चोरी को मसला नहीं बनाया ना. You made a mistake, Syed ji. Have you made a mistake by following Congress's vote चोरी argument? क्या आपका एजेंडा वहां पे कहीं पे कंफ्यूज हो गया? तेजस्वी की आर्गुमेंट वोट चोरी नहीं थी, इट वाज जॉब्स.
नहीं, मेरा कहीं एजेंडा कंफ्यूज नहीं हुआ. पार्लियामेंट के अंदर में राष्ट्रीय जनता दल लगातार इस बात का विरोध करता रहा वोट चोरी का. और जो
बट बिहार की जनता वोट चोरी पे नहीं, काम पे वोट करती है.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट गए, हमारे हालत सुन लीजिए सर, सुन लीजिए ना, बोल लेने दीजिए, आप ही बोल लीजिए, फिर हम चुप हो जाते हैं. आपसे पूछ रहे, अब जवाब आप दे रहे हैं.
बोलिए.
साफ तौर पे बिहार की जनता जब ये प्रस्तुत कर रही, अपना डॉक्यूमेंट जब प्रेजेंट कर रही थी, तो राष्ट्रीय जनता दल के हलफनामे पे सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा इलेक्शन कमीशन को कि आपको आधार इंक्लूड करना पड़ेगा. ये सारे जो प्रपंच रचे गए, हर एक सारे के सारे मोर्चे पर भारतीय जनता पार्टी और उनके घटक दल के द्वारा और उनके लोगों के द्वारा, सरकार के द्वारा.
यादव तो कह रहे थे SIR इज इलीगल. आपके लालू यादव और तेजस्वी कह रहे थे SIR इज अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल।
बीच में ये क्यों बोलती है भाई? भाजपा वालों को
संजू वर्मा इनका नाम है, संजू वर्मा।
बात करें, यही मैडम से बात करें।
संजू वर्मा इनका नाम है। ब्रेक कीजिए, ब्रेक कीजिए।
बिहार का चुनाव जो है शराब घोटाले के खिलाफ है। बिहार का घोटाला सिर्जन घोटाले के खिलाफ है। बिहार का चुनाव बांध घोटाले के खिलाफ है। बिहार का चुनाव CBSE और पेपर लीक के खिलाफ है।
कहा था
बिहार का चुनाव जो है BSEB और इलेक्शन एग्जामिनेशन नहीं करा पाने की क्षमता के खिलाफ है। बिहार का चुनाव जो है गुंडागर्दी सम्राट चौधरी और क्रिमिनल भारतीय जनता पार्टी के क्रिमिनल उम्मीदवारों के खिलाफ है। बिहार का चुनाव नीतीश कुमार जो गायब है, जो डिसअपियर है, जो कुछ कहने के लायक नहीं बचे हैं, उनके खिलाफ है। और जनता आंदोलित है, युवा।
ब्रेकिंग न्यूज लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, 1 मिनट। बहुत बड़ी खबर हमारे पास आ रही है। आई एम गेटिंग ब्रेकिंग न्यूज राइट नाउ। आई एम गेटिंग ब्रेकिंग न्यूज राइट नाउ। आई एम गेटिंग ब्रेकिंग न्यूज राइट नाउ लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन।
अपने
परिवारों के साथ
इलेक्टोरल रोल का शुद्धिकरण अनिवार्य है। इलेक्टोरल रोल का शुद्धिकरण जरूरी है।
नहीं, शुद्धिकरण, अरे आप शुद्धिकरण करोगे, आप अपनी शुद्धिकरण।
I am just saying
झूठ बोलने वाली पार्टी है, जुमलेबाज पार्टी है।
I am asking here, I am asking a question. I am asking a question. Breaking news is coming in. RJD के प्रवक्ता सैयद लरब अकरम जी, एक ब्रेकिंग न्यूज है मेरे पास, वेरी बिग न्यूज, very big news, ladies and gentlemen. Mehul Choksi's extradition has been cleared by the Antwerp court. Ratnakar Tripathi, you used to say Modi does not want to bring them back. Mehul Choksi along
लिख के दिया है।
Mehul
इस मामले में कोई पूछताछ नहीं होगी।
Mehul Choksi along with his nephew Nirav Modi are wanted in the PNB bank fraud case. The Modi government's hard work has made fugitive Mehul Choksi's extradition cleared in the Antwerp court. अब वो वापस आएंगे, सब रिवील करेंगे।
तो स्वामी, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने वहां की कोर्ट में लिख के दिया है कि हवाला से संबंधित।
अच्छा, मेहुल चोकसी वापस आएंगे तो आपको प्रॉब्लम क्या है? Shawan is on the breaking news story. Shawan, 30-second update. Shawan.
Well, in fact, there is a confirmation now coming in that Antwerp court has cleared Mehul Choksi's extradition. However, there is an option that Mehul Choksi has to appeal. But right now, after both sides have been heard, Indian agencies have been heard, Antwerp court clearly stated that it makes a clear-cut case for extradition.
Thank you very much, Shawan. We'll see you tomorrow at the Defense Summit. Back to the debate. क्यों रत्नाकर त्रिपाठी, के मेनन एक्टर को भी आना पड़ा कि ये चोरी की गई मेरे फेस का, मिसयूज किया गया, कोई वोट चोरी का क्लेम ही नहीं है. Your hydrogen bomb has been a dud. But let me tell you, आपकी हाइड्रोजन बॉम्ब डिलीवर हुई है और हिट किया उन्होंने, मगर इन्होंने बीजेपी से ज्यादा तेजस्वी को आपके हाइड्रोजन बॉम्ब से आपने अटैक की है. बिकॉज पोर्ट तेजस्वी डिड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड, ही शुड हैव स्टेड टू हिज एजेंडा. ये दिल्ली के खान मार्केट लिखी हुई एजेंडा, हाइड्रोजन बॉम्ब वोट चोरी has misled them. That's why प्रशांत किशोर is doing better than you people.
आपकी बातों से तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि आप पहले से इलेक्शन कमीशन से मिलकर के आपने तैयार किया हुआ है.
नहीं, आप you ask anyone, अरे भाई don't you, अच्छा you don't think प्रशांत किशोर will do well? आप इधर जनसुराज पार्टी के, आपके पार्टी ने कहा था कि प्रशांत किशोर को पॉलिटिक्स नहीं आती, आपके पार्टी ने उनको रिजेक्ट किया था. प्रशांत किशोर went with a plan to revitalize the Congress, you threw him out, and now if he does better than you, 1 minute, Jansuraj is responding. Jansuraj responding to Congress versus Prashant Kishore. Interesting. Go ahead, Saurabh.
Look at this, Arnab. I don't know from how many years you have been covering election. And for the first time in Bihar, maybe even I don't remember that even election first day of nomination is over. We don't know. Have you got a list of Mahagathbandhan who's fighting from where? Look at the seamlessness of these people. They even don't declare who's fighting from where. The chief ministerial candidate of Mahagathbandhan is not announced. One ally is fighting for deputy CM. He is not declaring his seats. Rahul Gandhi is absconding. Tejasvi Yadav is getting away from media. He's not coming out and giving one statement. And they can question Jansuraj or Prashant Kishore. I mean, people of Bihar they are amazed. They are there. I mean, I can't even laugh. I can't even laugh on their, current status, Arnab. I mean, have you even covered an election in any state where in Gathbandhan politics, the major grand, the so-called Grand Alliance has not even declared their list so far.
Yeah.
And they are coming on
Why?
national
Acha,
television
ek minute.
and
Why have you
debating
not
about it.
declared your list? And before that, they have announced their candidates of 48 candidates.
If Arnab, even have you got
And
the
they
list?
withdrew the names
Have
of
you got the
18
list of
candidates that they
Mahagathbandhan?
had announced or not?
Have you
If
got the list of
Mahagathbandhan
Mahagathbandhan?
initially
No,
announced
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Sanju and Saurabh, are you together? 1 minute. Sanju and Saurabh are agreeing with each other. So has Prashant Kishore got a secret alliance with BJP? Has Prashant Kishore got a secret alliance? Dono milkar.
I'm not agreeing
Whereas
with
we are very clear.
Volume, Sanju.
Sanju Verma has to agree with me.
If
If Sanju Verma has to agree with me, she has to request Modi ji to start talking about Bihar. Modi ji has to start talking about gift city in Bihar. Modi ji has to start talking about industry in Bihar. Modi ji has to start talking about, he has to conduct meeting in Niti Aayog. He has to bring a clear picture. We are not the empty bank. Bihar is not the empty bank that we will give.
अच्छा अभी मुझे आने दीजिए 1 minute. अभी I want to come into the debate. रत्नाकर त्रिपाठी को वापस लाइए.
Empty bank. Bihar is not the empty
There are
bank.
medical colleges.
And Modi ji now has to talk beyond the 5 kilo ration and the train for the migrants. No, this is not the case.
Sanju.
My founder has said that when the Bihar election is over,
Thanks to Narendra Modi, a 450-acre net zero green campus was inaugurated at Nalanda, the famous Nalanda University was resurrected. Thanks to whom? Thanks to Narendra Modi. Bihar's average GDP growth in the last decade has been how much? 7.91%. The highest in post-independent India. Under Congress, Bihar's GDP was 4%. Under RJD, it was 3.08%. So never challenge me on facts and figures. And let me tell you, 7 out of the 9 Amrit Bharat Express trains either pass through or originate Bihar.
Should be left
Today you have airport in
and
Bikaji,
still be
you have
the lowest
airport in
income people
Darbhanga,
after 70 years of independence. Can you tell me here? You've ruled 20 years in Bihar. Madam, can you tell me on this national television that why people of Bihar should be deprived? Why their per capita income should be the lowest among all states in India?
Okay,
I'm asking a very clear question. Give me that.
Okay, I have a point to make. Thank you. I must come in right now. Sanju and Saurabh, just take a back seat for a while. I have to share some information. We'll take Ratnakar Tripathi on air. Ladies and gentlemen, breaking news. Antwerp Court. Just 1 minute. Saurabh.
I hope I'm not muted because
you are not muted. You've been loud and clear for the last 5 minutes. In fact, I am the one who's being muted by you. Just wait a minute. The fact is. This is
hilarious. I think this is where I won because nobody in India can quite earn up Goswami.
Arey Baba,
this is another win for Jan Suraj.
You guys are so aggressive these days, Jan Suraj. Pata nahi, last.
We are aggressive for Bihar.
I don't know why Arnab these days does not give any attention to BJP.
Who says I don't give attention? I am being practical and honest. I am being practical and honest, and I think that Jan Suraj is stronger than you think. Sanju? We also have our ground report.
Madam, I'm ready to debate with you one-on-one.
I want to ask RJD.
Madam, you choose any topic.
I want to ask RJD a question. Right now. 1 minute. This is now the directors will have to help me. I can't focus otherwise. Get Ratnakar back.
Madam, choose a topic. I'm telling you. Let's not do Hawabaji.
Acha, my question. No more Hawabazi. A question here. Thank you very much. Avinash Paswan and Syed Larab Akram, JDU versus RJD. The fight is within the Mahagathbandhan. Ajay Kushwaha of RJD versus Sanjeev Kumar of Congress in Vaishali. True or false? Arun Shah of RJD versus Sakaldev Bind of VIP in Tarapur. क्यों? True or false? Fight इनके अंदर है. पासवान जी, इनके अंदर बहुत फाइट हो रही है. एवरीवन ऑन. बछवाड़ा में अवधेश राय ऑफ CPI is going to fight Garib Das of Congress. True or false? लालगंज में शिवानी शुक्ला of RJD is fighting अजय आदित्य राजा of Congress. True or false? कहलगांव में रजनीश यादव of RJD is fighting Praveen Kushwaha of Congress. True or false?
False.
राजा पकड़ में मोहित पासवान of CPI is fighting प्रतिमा दास of Congress. True or false? रोसेरा में लक्ष्मण पासवान of CPI is fighting BK Ravi of Congress. True or false? ये सारे सीट में द फाइट इज विद इन महागठबंधन. मतलब इंडिया अलायंस के अंदर फाइट हो रही है. मैं गलत कह रहा हूं तो बताइए मुझे. Am I right or wrong? अविनाश, सैयद लरब अकरम कह रहे हैं
क्लेम करने का अधिकार सभी का है. क्लेम करने का अधिकार सभी का, हम क्लेम कर रहे हैं. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि हमारे बीच में लड़ाई चल रही है. हमारे बीच में प्रॉपर.
What is the point of making Mahagठबंधन? You know, what is the point of having an alliance of Mahagठबंधन then?
कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी के अंदर
Because
और
you still do not have the face of CM.
कांग्रेस के
as you can
अंदर
see.
और राष्ट्रीय
What is
जनता
the
दल
point
के
of
अंदर कोई
what is the point of having
डिस्प्यूट अगर कहीं है तो वो इंडिया के
why
अंदर
don't
है.
why don't you guys
कल फिर से कह
fight
दिया
the elections
कि
independently,
नीतीश कुमार
separately,
मिनिस्टर
so that the
कैंडिडेट नहीं होगा.
Janta of Bihar, the people of Bihar is not confused. Actually, the people of Bihar is very clear because this is a proved hypothesis. In the state of Bihar, for the past 20 years, the state of Bihar and the people of Bihar has
Why the Home Minister is saying like this? They are
No, answer my question on whether there are fights inside your alliance. Mr. Akram, 1 minute, volume down. Mr. Akram, focus.
There is no fight. There is no fight.
I have given you names and constituencies.
Our Mahagठबंधन is very intact.
The face of Chief Minister Nitish Kumar is so clear and clean and so favorable for these people of the Bihar that even though we got 43 seats in 2020, NDA came together to ask the Chief Minister, Honorable Chief Minister, to sit on the chair of the Chief Minister. Because we know that it is a proved hypothesis in the state of Bihar. For the past 20 years, the people of Bihar have unopposedly selected the Chief Minister presently, the Honorable Nitish Kumar, as the CM of the Bihar. And that is why we have, in this present election as well, selected Chief Minister of Bihar, Mananiya Nitish Kumar ji, as the face of NDA Gathbandhan, and he will be the...
Larab Akram, louder, Akram.
And Gujarat, you know better.
Face from the Mahagathbandhan, and I don't know how...
There is nothing good in NDA.
Does the Mahagathbandhan is trying to...
JDU contesting 101 seats only, and BJP contesting on 142.
Politics.
What is this alliances? Where is the
Sanju.
You should ask Nitish Kumar. The JDU become a smallest party than BJP in this NDA alliance. How it is possible? Who is doing this?
I want to ask you one thing.
Where is
आपकी पूरी पार्टी RJD महिला उद्धार की बात करती है, बट राबड़ी देवी, द फॉर्मर CM ऑफ बिहार, तेजस्वी यादव की माताश्री और लालू प्रसाद यादव की धर्मपत्नी, अपनी खुद की बहू ऐश्वर्या तेज प्रताप यादव की धर्मपत्नी को धक्के मार के रात के अंधेरे में घर से निकाल दिया. Aishwarya claims Rabdi Devi did not even give her 2 meals to eat. She was not provided sanitary napkins when she was on her periods. I mean, this is the kind of party that you represent. You should be ashamed of yourself.
I am not ready to answer your...
does not get along with Tej
I am not
Pratap
ready
Yadav.
to...
Tej
I am
Pratap
not going
Yadav
to
does
answer
not
your
get along with his
bullshit.
sister Misa Bharti. Misa Bharti does not get along with her sister Rohini Acharya. Rohini Acharya does not get along with her brother Tejasvi Yadav. Tejasvi Yadav does not get along with his sister.
Saurabh is on the debate. Saurabh of Jansuraj entering a three-way debate right now. Saurabh.
Ragini nation want to know. What about Jasoda Ben?
Ragini Yadav's husband, who's a Congress member,
Saurabh versus
Chanda Yadav. Chanda Yadav's husband
instead of talking about Bihar, even BJP spokesperson is doing the cheap politics on this national television. Why people of Bihar are so bothered if a divorce case is filed between two? Now we don't have to dat on national television. Now, Arnab, let me tell you what's the biggest fraud in politics. The fraud is friendly fights. The so-called friendly fight. What is friendly fight? Please come out and say there is no grand alliance left. So now people of Bihar should not be confused. The fight is now between the NDA and Jan Suraj. The grand alliance, even before the election,
Ladies and gentlemen,
gone.
interesting positioning
Because
right now.
RJD
Interesting
is
positioning right now. I want RJD reaction to that, JDU reaction to that. Jan Suraj is saying the fight is between us and NDA. 1 minute, Avinash, is this fight becoming about Jan Suraj versus BJP? Lareb ji, ये कह रहे हैं आप relevant नहीं है. Fight, direct fight बना रहे हैं between Jan Suraj and BJP. Lareb जी ये कह रहे हैं डायरेक्ट फाइट हमारी बीजेपी के साथ है, आप नहीं है.
आप देख सकते हो घूम के सरकार बनने जा रही है. तेजस्वी जी के नेतृत्व में बिहार में बदलाव होने जा रहा है.
Avinash, he is saying the fight is between Prashant Kishore and the BJP NDA alliance. Avinash and Saurabh.
The fight is
जान सूरज
yes.
Avinash and Saurabh
कर रहा है
See.
पर
There is no point of Jan Suraj coming into the scene right now because Jan Suraj has no ground.
Your ally has just accepted that we are getting 10%.
The people have decided that the Sarkar is going to be of the NDA and Honorable Chief Minister Nitish Kumar ji is going to be the Chief Minister of Bihar. Jan Suraj is actually playing a cheap politics by charging.
Okay, viewers, I think the Jan Suraj's positioning itself, to be fair, it's an unknown force. Some people say it's a lot of digital hype. Some people say they are more on social media. They are more on social media than on the ground. But we'll have to watch this extremely closely. Ladies and gentlemen, Ladies and gentlemen, Prashant Kishore, we'll have to watch. I'm making no predictions. Just keep a watch. And let me tell you one thing. Don't believe any of these exit pollsters. They know nothing about it. When we put out ours, then you can believe it. When I'm back, why things are getting very tough indeed for Pakistan. The very latest.
Time for a quick breather. Arnab will be right back with the debate.
ये है सीक्रेट रेसिपी MDH का जीरा सिप जल जीरा मसाला. सिप सिप जीरा सिप MDH का जल जीरा सिप. जीरा सिप MDH का जल जीरा सिप.